आणि इथपर्यंत त्यांना येऊन या स्टेजवरती उभा केलं त्याबद्दल त्यांचे पुनश्च एकदा मी मनपूर्वक आभार व्यक्त करतो. या ठिकाणी आम्हा जोडप्याला बोलून त्यांनी जो मानसन्मान केला त्याबद्दल त्यांचे पुनश्च एकदा आभार व्यक्त करतो आणि मला बोलण्याची संधी दिली त्याबद्दल आभार व्यक्त करतो. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, sir, for your appreciation words. Now, I would like to request Honorable Dr. Mr. Kiran Vishwanath Todkari, sir, to give his valuable words.
Very good evening to all of you. All the respected guests present on the dais, respected Latte sir, respected Latte madam, Principal Sumera madam, all the respected parents present here, and dear students. Now I know everybody is eager to watch the Little Champions performance, so I am not going to take much of your time. I am very much agree with what Mr. Puri has said just now. But still I want to focus your attention on few more points. Many of the parents, including me and my wife, many of the parents present here are doctors. But I personally feel teacher's job is very bit difficult than doctors, because as a doctor we treat only one human body or one certain diseases at one time. But teachers, they are dealing with so many students at a time. They are taking huge efforts to make the students responsible citizens, and responsible citizens are necessary for good society, and good society is necessary for a developing country. So I feel teacher is actually a doctor of the society, and Latte sir and his team is doing very well on this platform. Secondly, the theme of this program is Meri Awaaz Hi Pehchan Hai. In same way, what is pehchan of our country, what is identity of our country is unity in diversity. In last 2-3 years, what I am observing, that this school is celebrating festival of each and every religion. The school is celebrating birth anniversary of various historical idols. Making students familiar with all these historical idols is very, very necessary. Next thing is the parents. Presently what the main problem parents were facing is the bonding between family members is weakened. It is not as like before. So the student are getting a little bit isolated from their parents. They are busy in watching televisions, mobiles. Now this problem is universal, all of us are facing that, but particularly Muktangal school is taking very much efforts on this particular problem. They are making student discipline. They are asking students to give respect to the senior members present in the family. This is very much, I feel very much, I am very much impressed on this efforts taken by them. I express my best wishes to Latte sir and his team members. The few peculiarities I have observed with Latte sir, I am knowing him since like 2-3 years, but what I have observed, few peculiarities. First thing is honesty. Sir and his team members, all the teachers and staff members are very much honest and very, very polite. If something has happened at any time, any mistake has happened, they are accepting that this thing has happened, and they are respecting feedback given by us. Next thing is discipline and hard work, which the result we are experiencing with our children. So I express my gratitude for giving me chance to express my views here, and thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for appreciating our hard work. Really, teachers are the doctors of society. Now, I would like to request Honorable Dr. Yes. Now I would like to request Honorable Sri Krishna Latte sir to honor Dr. Mr. Vinod Sidram Sonavne, Honorable Mrs. Priyanka Vinod Sonavne. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for accepting our honor. Let us now welcome the man who doesn't need any introduction and known among all of us for his wisdom and knowledge, our Honorable President, Mr. Sri Krishna Latte, sir. I would like to invite him to say a couple of words.
Good evening, one and all. I heartily welcome you all for the prestigious occasion, annual gathering and prize distribution program 2023-24. We feel honored to have with us today's program inaugurator, Honorable Dr. Kiran Vishwanath Todkari, Honorable Mrs. Snehalata Kiran Todkari. As a chief guest, Honorable Dr. Anand Narsingh Rao Bargale, Honorable Miss Madhavi Anand Bargale, sir, ma'am, Honorable Dr. Vinod Siddharam Sonone, Honorable Mrs. Priyanka Vinod Sonone, Honorable Mr. Pramod Jnanoba Gunale, Honorable Mrs. Ashwini Pramod Gunale, Honorable Dr. Bhagwat Manvendra Kendre, Honorable Dr. Mrs. Sheetal Bhagwat Kendre. Here, special presence, Honorable Mr. Baburao Rao Sahib Wagmode, Honorable Mrs. Dipali Baburao Wagmode, Honorable Mr. Vinayak Sharad Chandra Kulkarni, Honorable Miss Saili Vinayak Kulkarni, Honorable Mr. Rauf Noor Ahmed Sheikh, Honorable Mrs. Our school principal Sumera Sheikh, Honorable Mr. Satish Somnath Lokre, Honorable Mrs. Yogita Satish Lokre, Honorable Mr. Sandeep Subhash Wagmare, Honorable Miss Supriya Sandeep Wagmare, Honorable Mr. Dhananjay Keshavrao Delmade, Honorable Miss Diksha Dhananjay Delmade, Honorable Mr. Mahesh Shivaji Puri, Honorable Mrs. Mahadevi Mahesh Puri, Honorable Mr. Govardhan Balasaheb Sawant, Honorable Mrs. Shubhangi Govardhan Sawant, Honorable Mr. Mahesh Manohar Badame, Honorable Mrs. Vishakha Mahesh Badame. Our Sanstha Director, Honorable Ravi Shankar Munde, our Sanstha Director, Mrs. Kavita Sri Krishna Latte, School Principal, Lord Sri Krishna English School, Mrs. Rupali Kulkarni, our next unit, Muktangan English School, School Principal Mrs. Sumera Sheikh, Coordinator, Lord Sri Krishna English School, Mr. Rauf Sheikh. Dear parent, student, teaching, non-teaching staff, I heartily welcome you all for this annual gathering and prize distribution program 2023-24. Once again, I heartily welcome you all to this annual gathering and prize distribution program. Our Sanstha, Matosri Kalavati Pratishthan, runs 2 units in Latur. First one is Muktangan English School at Vishal Nagar. It is pre-primary section. Second one is Lord Sri Krishna English School. It is pre-primary, primary and secondary section. This is the 15th year of Muktangan, and yesterday we celebrated 6th year of Lord Sri Krishna English School and 1st year of Lord Sri Krishna English School pre-primary section annual function. In each school we are providing quality education. Always our focus on quality, not on quantity. I feel proud to say that the result of our schools are very excellent. Individual attention towards each student is the key of the success for our school. I would like to share that my whole staff continuously working for your ward's progress and other development in all area. It may be reading, writing, stage courage, communication skills, language development, speech development, discipline, good values, and more than it. In this educational journey, we got a strong appreciation and support of our parents. My parents are my strength. Dear parents, really, I am here only because of your motivation and solid support. My great salute to your trust which you put on me and my school. Today, we are very happy as we celebrate our annual gathering and prize distribution program. Today, we will see the series of the prizes which were awarded by my students. This shows the talent of my lovely students. Today, my students are going to present the cohesion of entertainment, मेरी आवाज ही पहचान है. For the wonderful evening, my students have taken lot of efforts to present the perfect kit in front of you. It's my request to all present parent, please stay with us up to the end and motivate my students. I request to all respected parents, our students continuously doing 1 month practice, rehearsals. So I put my request in front of you, please don't leave this place. Give your today time to our student and see this, the cohesion of entertainment, मेरी आवाज ही पहचान है. Nice kit, our students, choreography, timing, facial expressions, body language, everything please you see this function start to end and give us your valuable feedback. Your support, our school success. Your cooperation, our school success. So dear parent, in future, nice work we are doing in education. Just your support we want, your cooperation we want, and your motivation. Our Sanstha's motto is Nahi Jnanena Sadrusham Pavitramya Vidyate. Means in this world there is nothing pure than knowledge. That pure knowledge we are spreading in society through our schools. This is my commitment to all parents. I hope you are always with me. After all, you are my energy. Thank you and best luck to all my students for their performances. मेरी आवाज ही पहचान है. Thank you. Thank you very much. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now, I'm going to announce academic toppers from playgroup class. Unit first test toppers are Master Shaurya Sunil Kambe, Miss Shravya Swapnil Udge, Master Kiyansh Shrikant Kshirsagar, Miss Hindavi Rishikesh Gore, Master Adhiraj Sandeep Mohite, Miss Gauravi Tanaji Kadam. First term toppers are Master Shaurya Sunil Kambe, Miss Gauravi Tanaji Kadam, Miss Hitashri Sunil Govda, Master Adhiraj Sandeep Mohite. Conducted co-curricular activities: Independence Day speech competition, Teachers Day speech competition, Republic Day speech competition, My Friend Ganesha speech competition, Lord Ganesha theme dance competition, Dandiya Ras, Best Dressing and Best Player competition, Sports competition, Running race competition, Layman and Spoon competition, Frog jump competition, Musical chair competition and Project exhibition. And the participants and winners are Master Shrivardhan Rahul Iname, Master Kiyansh Shrikant Kshirsagar, Master Adhiraj Sandeep Mohite, Master Rajveer Vishal Maharkar, Master Shreyansh Amol Pirazar, Miss Hindavi Rishikesh Gore, Master Veeransh Amit Somovanshi, Master Shaurya Sunil Kambe, Miss Hitashri Sunil Govda, Miss Shravya Maruti Pawar, Miss Shusha Maruti Pawar, Master Ojas Sheetal Korke, Miss Mrunal Datta Jadhav, Master Sarvesh Raj Rishikesh Kesharkar, Miss Shravya Swapnil Udge, Miss Snehal Govind Kazarge, Miss Gauravi Tanaji Kadam, Miss Vedant Nitin Bazati.